family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have two, I know, y'all saw the title. But just my quick thoughts. I have some Bath & Body Works fragrances. I just got two. I know you're like, sis, you said you didn't have any room for the Bath and the Body and the Works. I don't. I don't. It's still the same, but I couldn't. I just had to. Did you really, sis? Yeah, I did. I had to get these, okay? So I just wanted to give you all my first impression on two of the fragrance body mist that I picked up from Bath & Body Works. Let's get into it. So first up, this has been the talk around town, and I just wanted to see what the hype was about, okay? I was nosy. You all know your sis. She was nosy. It's fine. So we have Vanilla Romance. And it's vanilla. You all know I had to get my nose on this. So we have Fresh Cardamom, okay? Vanilla Absolute and Captivating Woods. Now, I feel like these notes, and again, maybe not, I am not a professional Bath & Body Works, okay? Not a professional Bath & Body, I'm not that. But I feel like I've seen these notes in another fragrance, but maybe not. Anyway, let me give you my first impression thoughts. You know, is it worth getting Vanilla Romance? Ooh, I feel like I've absolutely smelled this before though.
2 hours later.
Ooh, comment down below. Is this like something different, like that's already in Bath & Body Works? Like, is this a repackaging of something we already have? This kind of gives me like, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of gives me Vanilla Woods, just a little bit sweeter. Interesting. It gives me Vanilla Woods vibe, just a little bit sweeter. But that smells very good. So it has the kind of the woody, like almost like a burning wood, but very sweet. A sweeter burning wood type of scent with the kind of sweet vanilla, almost touching cakey sweet vanilla with the burning woodsy type of note. This is really good. You all know, but this also kind of gives me vibes of the Kayali 28, Vanilla 28. Like, it gives me vibes of that. Maybe a Vanilla 28, which is a little bit smokier a little bit, then it would kind of align the same. But yeah, it gives me the same vibes. That pairing would be really good. Now, where would I wear this? Like, ooh, I feel like this is like Netflix and chill. I feel like I would want to cuddle, you know? I would want that little love that I was talking about before. That love, fall love. Okay, we're gonna call it fall love. I would feel like I want that fall love in the cuddle sessions or something. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. And romance. Yeah, sometimes it clicks right away, and then sometimes it's okay, right? She's okay. Your sis is okay. But sometimes it takes me just a little bit to like connect it to make it make sense. And I just got it, right? The romance, yeah. Perfect name for this. Perfect name for this is definitely romance and cuddle and Netflix and chilling. And lay your head on my shoulder.
You're saying it wrong.
Lay your head on my pillow.
can just relax, relax, relax. Y'all know. I bet, okay, I'm not gonna go there. But you all get what I'm saying. Like, this is really seducing. Ooh, you better put it on them. Yeah, this is good. I like it. I like it. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have Candy Apple Cauldron. Now, this is definitely Halloween fall type of scent. The reason why I wanted this, because I felt like people were saying, or I've seen like caramel apple maybe on the ads or something. I feel like I've seen caramel apple somewhere, and anything caramel and apple, sign me up. Sign me up now. If you know of a fragrance, not even body spray, right? Not even fragrance mist. If you know of a fragrance that is caramel apple, put that in the comments section. Put that down below. I need her. I need her number and her name now, because I want to be smelling like all the candy apples. I told you what we gonna be on. Well, I'm gonna be on. I'll just speak on me. I'm gonna be on for fall and winter. Put her down below. I want all the candy apple fragrance in everywhere. Even if she is overseas, in America, I don't care where she at. And I don't care what the name is. I want to know where she at, because I'm picking her up. Okay, anyway, we talking about this. So we have Mysterious Green Apple. Okay. We have Simmering Sugar. Sounds good. And we have Crystallized Bergamot. Okay, so a little bit of a citrus maybe. I don't know. But let's check it out, because again, this is my first impression. I know nothing. I've just seen ads and I'm like, if it's caramel apple, yeah, that's what I want. Even though it didn't say caramel apple, it did say green apple. Ooh, I smell it from here though. Oh, yes. Oh, but no. Ooh, but yes. You like, sis, what are you saying? Listen, I don't, ooh. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I get caramel apple, but maybe I do. Yes, I think I do get the caramel apple. But what I was going to say before I was rudely interrupted, I was going to say it gives me Jolly Rancher. It gives me like green apple Jolly Rancher. But then, ooh, am I going to need a backup of this? This is good. Oh my goodness, this is good. Yes. It gives me green apple Jolly Rancher. But then I also smell like I have a caramel apple candle. And this definitely represents that Goose Creek. I got it at Goose Creek. That Goose Creek caramel apple that I've had in a candle. This definitely gives me that vibe. And it gives me carnival vibes. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm sorry. That's it. Oh, she wins. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Do you have something to say? Like, what would you, like, if you would smell this, I would absolutely want to know what your reaction would be. Would you be like, oh, sis, I mean, it's not all that. Or would you be like, oh my goodness, this is exactly what I wanted you to smell like. But I was, at first, when I first sprayed, I was like, caramel apple. Then I got it. It was like whoosh, and you're like, oh. It was one of them. Wow. Yeah, these are both winners. I'm excited. Wow, I'm so glad. And I caught this on a really good deal. I caught this when they had their $5, or it was like $5.96, so basically $6 sale But I'm so excited because originally I think this is like 18 or I don't know. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. But it's about $18 or something like that. Wait for the sale, sis. You better not buy this at full price. Oh, maybe it says it on. Oh, $17.95. So basically $18. But you better not be paying no full price for that. And what was this? Let's see. This is $18.95. So basically $19. Yeah, no. Got them both for $6. I actually could have got probably one. Well, no, I couldn't because it has to be like 16 something and below. Then you get your like free body care. So I take that back. I wouldn't have been able to get any of these for free. Anyway, this is good. Okay. But that's it. I just wanted to quickly jump on and let you all know my thoughts and like sneak this into my collection that I don't know where it's going to go because I really have run out of room. But I just wanted to, tell my family, hey, I picked these up. If you're interested, if you want a little cuddle buddy, okay? Cuddle Netflix and chill, a little romance, a little bit of vanilla. Or carnival vibes or like, ooh, if you want a candy apple. I don't know. Candy apple shouldn't make you be like this though. I don't know. It shouldn't get you. Nah, yeah. Candy apple's not sexy, is it? But it's good. Do you like candy apple? But I do like the green candy apple. I don't like the red. What's the red candy apple? Candy apple. Yeah, okay. Like, sis, it's called candy apple. I like the caramel green apple. Is that what that's called? I don't like the red candy apple with the red. No, bypass that. I don't like none of that. I think I've even told you all before, and y'all looking at me like, where did we just go? Because I thought we were closing out. Just need to say, funnel cake. At the carnival, I don't want nobody's funnel cake. You can give me fries, hot dog. We can go to the corn on the cob or the corn on the stick or the meat on the stick. Or the slushy or the cotton candy. That funnel cake, I think it's a texture thing for me. Because I like the powdered sugar. And I do like donuts. So it's not that I don't like donuts. I don't know. It's like something with that. Like the airing. I don't know. Comment down below. If you don't like funnel cake, let me know why you don't like funnel cake too. Because then maybe I can help myself describe when people ask me why I don't like funnel cake. Maybe I could just use your answer. Because I don't know what to say. Because it gets confusing when I talk about I do like donuts, but I don't like funnel cake. But it gets a little lost in the sauce. A little bit. But let me know. But if you like funnel cake, then this is not the conversation. Like that's not gonna help me with me explaining why I don't. Okay, I want the people that don't like the funnel cake to let me know why you don't like the funnel cake down below. Because then if you don't mind, because we're family, right? So if you don't mind, I'm gonna give you credit, but I'm gonna take your answer and I'm gonna repeat it. Because I'm gonna say this is how we feel. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and comment down below. Have you gotten any new fragrances from Bath & Body Works? I would love to know, all right? Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.